Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to enable biometrics on FlyDelta account. So first we're going to go to our FlyDelta app. Then once you guys are here, we're going to click on the account section. Then next we're going to click on profile. So here we're going to scroll downwards. So there's the Face ID option, you're going to turn it on. So your biometrics will be on from now on. So this setting is important for security reasons. Make sure you turn this on at all times so that no one will interfere into your account without your knowledge. So even if you guys go back and open the app again, it's going to ask you for your biometrics. So when you insert your biometrics, it's going to log you in. So this is how you do it. It's a very important step. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.